Hey, hey, it's a sunny day. The backyard pool is ready to play. Tommy's got his goggles tight. Abel's jumping with delight. Lina's twirling, Maya's cool. We're splashing in the backyard pool. Floaties, noodles, balls go fly. Tiko sprays water way up high. Luna's floating with the grin. Let the backyard games begin. Maya spins and Abel cheers. Tommy laughs and wipes his ears. Down the slide we zoom and glide. We shout as we slip and slide. Lina helps Luna take her turn, and Tiko's trunk begins to churn. Rainbow splashes all around. Smiles grow with every sound. Now it's time for fruit and snacks. We wrap in towels and lean way back. Watermelon juice and fun. The golden dog lies in the sun. Tiko shares a bunny treat. Luna munches, oh so sweet. On a pirate raft, sails in the pool. Tommy steering, acting cool. Abel shouts, ahoy ahead. Maya finds the floaty gold. Instead, Tiko roars, the sea beast bold. Luna guards the treasure hold. Sprinkler spinning on the lawn. We stomp and dance from dusk till dawn. Lina twirls like a flower in bloom. Tiko joins with the trumpet boom. The parrot squawks a cheerful tune while fireflies flicker under the moon. All the sky turns pink, the stars appear. We float so calm with nothing to